My name is Viraj Naik, and I've been coordinating with the show, which has been a tribute to our great master of Goa, F.N. Souza. And as I've been approached by the Goa Center of Arts to conduct a workshop with the school childrens and teachers and some contemporary practicing artists, and they are all showcased in this exhibition. It has been a remarkable effort where all the participants have contributed to make after F.N. Souza, that is to replicate the works of F.N. Souza in their own style or whatever it is, the approach that they have. And it's a small tribute to the master in the way they exist as an artist. Since today is his birthday, 100 years being celebrated and enjoyed in the best possible way by the artists of Goa.
Leandre D'Souza, the director at Sunapranta Goa Center for the Arts. This evening is special as we celebrate and pay tribute to Francis Newton Souza, one of our greatest artists and who is also considered the father of modern Indian art as he defined its soul. This evening we celebrate and enter the universe of Souza, and we welcome all of our guests as they enter the sacred, profane, east, west, physical and spiritual, as all of this comes together.